okay? It's going to be a face shot, kind of from the front, which is not often. It's a very different pose. And that's pretty much it. It's going to be relatively simple. So if you're a beginner, you should be able to get this. Stay all the way through. I'm going to go through it step by step by step. And by the very end of the video, you should be able to draw this from your mind. Let's jump into it, okay? Right now. Alright, let's get started on this Godzilla. Alright, let's do it. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here to kind of the snout area, and I'm going to curve just a little bit on the top of the snout. I'm going to pull it forward just a bit. Forward out here. Curve underneath. Top of the mouth here. And underneath right there. It's going to be the top of the teeth there. Curve over here for the cheekbone. Up. And under here. Up over here for the eye. It's going to be the top of that eye right there. Curve over here. And underneath. So you have the eye right there. The eye's gonna be pretty beady because the reason for the beady eye is because it makes Godzilla look bigger, you know, in general. Line over here, the eye's peeking around the corner of that other side. Okay. Line underneath for the bag into the eye. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw a little bit of a line here at the top for the brow. And over here for the brow as well. Out over here, down. Curve line here, up, over here. So he's got these kind of ridges on it in the side of this version. Line over here. Do the same thing on the other side. Over here. Line, 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 curve for the top of the head, and I'm going to keep it curving. He's got a relatively small top of the head. You know, again, relative, of course, to his size. Line over here, just kind of a line for the nostril, and a line over here for the nostril on this side. Alright. Circle. I mean, well, really a dot for the eye. Down, line here. And, 1 second. Before we're going to draw some spikes in the back to make it look more like him, but right now let's go to the teeth, okay? Line down here, line down here. He's not really Venom or anything like that. He just has regular sharp teeth, and I would vary the sizes of the teeth. But he's not going to have like these giant Venom, like proportionally giant teeth. Curve over here. Down over here. This is going to open his mouth here. Down. And as it hits this area, I'm going to draw teeth down here at the bottom. Right here, up as it goes up. Alright. Gonna draw some teeth on this end now. And let's draw a curve underneath. And over here down, curve down. And then pulling up over here, you got his jaw. Right now he still looks like a Ninja Turtle, but don't worry about it. We're gonna work on him more and more, and he will turn into Godzilla. Line down here for the tongue. Down over here and curve up. You got his tongue in there. It's really roaring, right? Alright, so we got the side of his face here. Now what's going to happen is he's got this huge neck. Huge neck. Same thing on this side as well. Huge neck. And we're gonna go out over here down, and he's gonna have the shoulder down right here, right? Shoulder down. He's just standing there like, whoa, what's going on? All right. Line down here for kind of the belly area. He has a kind of scaly area on his belly, and it looks kind of like a, ironically, a Ninja Turtle chest. Line here, line up, line here, line up, line here, line up. I'm just gonna keep it flowing down. Right on. Line here, line here. Flowing down here, flowing down here. Alright. Right on. So what's missing? Obviously, the spikes on his back. Okay? So we're gonna go over here, and they are, even though they are not facing us, they're gonna kind of come up the corner here. And I want you to think about them like rock mountains. Like so. Thin. Like we're drawing thinner lines right here for detail now, because that's pretty much all that's left. He's just standing there, you know, angry. And now we're drawing thin lines right here because there is kind of that rocky form on him, right? Maybe even the lines down here. And he's got scales all over him. So what you can do is do these little curves, usually on the bottom, right? Like a little curve, and kind of put it, kind of spot it everywhere. Nothing too wild. Don't make it too thick, because if you make it too thick, it's going to be overpowering. You just want to put it enough. Line over here. Curve over here. Line over here. Kind of filling this area in, right? Because that is the dark of the mouth that's opening up. But so there's going to be some light that hits it, but you want to be able to kind of mitigate that. Right on. And let's go over here, and I'm going to put a little bit more dark around the eyes so that it stands out. I want it to stand out more. Line, and we're gonna throw a little bit of some dark here because it's gonna be underneath the neck, right? It's gonna be like that folding, that flexion underneath the neck, and you can draw a little bit more over here on the underside of his scaly belly, right? On this channel, I give you as many versions of Godzilla as I can. Please hit the like button if you like more Godzilla. I'm just giving you every different version of Godzilla, every pose, everything. Request a Godzilla if you have, you don't see it on the channel. Let me know, and I will totally do it. And that is Godzilla face to face. That's it. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.